Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a 230 Sunsation by Premier. As you can see, one of the new features they've done is a plexiglass front. It's really nice. It allows you to see what model it is, but also see through. So if you have some smaller children or dogs, they feel a little safer being able to see through without having to jump on top. Here in the seats, they have done a nice upgrade. They've moved the speakers into the backrest, which allows the sound to go towards your head and ears versus your feet, and just makes it sound a lot clearer. Very nice sized center tune. Going to have an 80% wider access point and a very deep space. That's one of the new changes for the PTX, which is that center log. Here at the helm, they have made a couple things standard. You're now having a standard power tower and raised helm, which gives you a little bit more clearance to see over that dash. You're going to have a Clarion sound system, phone charger, and LED lighting in some of the crevices. This one will come with the dual captain's chair, which is very nice. And back here in the back, this is their version of a sun lounger layout. You have three different positions: forward, middle, and flat, and that does it on both sides. So if you sit here in the back, you can raise this and have a nice sun lounger. This boat is going to be unique because on this one you will have a Mercury 150 with power steering. So this is going to solve a lot of issues with some of the 150s not having power steering and being a little bit harder to turn. They have installed a system from factory, so it's going to integrate very easily into the system. We'd love to talk about this Premier and some of the others we have. So if you're interested, my name's Quinn and we'd love to talk to you.